welcome back to a video, and I am Shivani Tiwari and you are seeing a channel What Name is Shivani Tiwari, and welcome back to a new fresh video. And today's topic is the lifesavers doctor. Yes, those doctors, those who are saving the people from coronavirus and other diseases also. So let's start a topic. Doctors have been given the stature of God in the world in today's condition and before condition also, because they are the savers, lifesavers. There are two lifesavers only in the world. One, God, who saves the life of a people, and second, a doctor, who saves the life of a person in difficulties. So all the people in today times giving the stature of God to the doctors. They have many responsibilities for protecting the person. If the person is not well and is going to die, and doctors are trying their best for treating it, and they are treating him very well to save him. But if in the condition he will die, the people that are making crowd, burning the statues of doctor, why they have killed him? See, I am telling those person who are doing this type of things, like doctors have nothing in their hands. They are only doctors that have those who have studies the organs, the organism of human beings. So God can save anyone in their, if they do like this, they will be saved. But doctor can't. Doctor have to study about that. Doctor have to save the person. They have to do the operation, etc. and etc. What surgeries, etc. They doctor know that. So we are not allowed to do that type of things against the doctors. So I am telling all the person to not telling the doctor irresponsible, and please support them, because in this condition they are feeling alone, because they can't meet their family members. They are alone in the hospital. Some week ago I have seen a picture on Twitter. There was written, see, there is no two persons are lying on the floor of the hospital. They are in, no, you have misunderstanding. They are not corona patient. They are doctors who are sleeping there. I felt so bad from inside that I can't tell you guys, because nowadays there are many corona patients in the world and there are insufficient bed for them. So many corona patients are lying on the floor or hospital door, etc. and etc. But I am not telling is responsible to the government. I am telling that they are lying on the floor. I am not telling that the government is not doing anything. They are doing anything. They are closing the factory. They are arranging bed in that factory only for corona patients only. I am telling the doctor that are lying on the floor of the, they have no home. That's why I am telling them alone, because they can't meet their family members because of some safety precautions. And we are also not supporting them, because if a patient die of corona, I don't want to tell, but if anyone die, we are crying, we are beating, we are doing many type of things that are not good for the doctors. They are unsupported. They have no one in their left side also, right side also. They are alone. And we have the problem that I am giving example. Our next door neighbor, our next door neighbor have corona. Is infected from corona. So I know that no one will see him. That's right. No, don't see them. But next to my door, a neighbor is fighting against corona. He has been well from 2 weeks, but the person is also not coming in front of him. Why? He has not any problem. He have been cured. If we will do like this, they are being they are broken from inside only. They have no one from their back also, from their in front of, from side to side, because they have corona. No one is supporting him. No, he has corona. No, stay against him. No, stay away away from him. I know the corona patient are can infect any person, but if social distancing, we can save our life and we can support the person who has corona. So please support doctors, because if I will not, God please, if sorry to say that, if you have, those who are saying, if you have corona, doctor is protecting you, but think about that doctor who is treating you. He has also a sadness inside him that this person has corona. How bad he is feeling from inside. But the doctor didn't think from about him, if he had corona, if he dies only. So please support the doctors. Please support the doctors, and please pray for Amitabh Bachchan who is corona positive, because he needs our prayer. And please guys, don't avoid the corona patient who is being cured, and also not avoid the corona patient only. If social distancing can be done, you can save your life and you can support the corona patient also. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe our channel.